Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and today we have a little look at something interesting. Thanks to Neowin, the website that has a lot of tech news, we've been having some screenshots of what right now the Microsoft Edge browser looks like with the Chromium engine. And I'll post the link to that article in the description below the video. I'll also post a link to an article from Paul Thurrott that you can read on the Chromium stuff, so that you guys can go there and see. These are two good websites for tech news and knowing what's happening, both in their own respect. So this is apparently something that has been showing up. So you see that it looks like Google Chrome actually. Another screenshot that we've got here is Paul Thurrott that shows also with his own website what it looks like. And of course, there's something that is going to be a little different with the Chromium, is that even though the screenshots here show that it looks like the website, the Google Chrome browser, the actual browser will look a little more like, you see here, it's showing like Edge with all the icons on the upper right. It will be more of an Edge experience, kind of, rather than a Chromium experience, because right now, there would be no use almost of using this browser instead of Google Chrome. They're the same. What we know is that the interface of the graphical user interface of the Edge Chromium will look like Edge. We've pretty much known now that it's going to be a Edge like browser, but with Chromium instead. So that means that it'll be compatible, a lot more compatible with everything that Chrome does. And of course, we'll also open the door to Chrome extensions. So these are the first screenshots, and they leaked yesterday. And of course, it's kind of interesting to see that what will become of the browser as we move on. There's still, of course, no date as to when this first version of of Microsoft Edge Chromium will actually appear, but it's interesting to see that the leaks actually show they are working on it. And for now, we are at the beginning of March. Some hint that build early May will be when we see the first version of Microsoft Edge Chromium insider preview. Some say earlier than that. They had said last year when we talked about it that it would be early 2019. Well, we're early 2019. I don't consider May to be early 2019 anymore. So will there be an insider preview any day now or not? It's difficult to know. But we got our first leaks here, and like I said, the articles, Neowin's article and Paul Thurrott's article, I will post the links. You can go and read. Both of them have their own take on it. Paul Thurrott has the take of Microsoft on it. Neowin has more a take of what is, what the leaks look like. They also have more pictures. I'm just showing you a couple here, but they have more pictures on the Neowin website of, for example, the extension store and stuff like that, so you can go and check it out by yourself. So it's moving along. The Microsoft Edge Chromium engine based browsers moving along, and it's going to be interesting to see when we have our first look officially as insiders. Also on the insider channel, I will post videos of that. But a lot of you have been asking me about Microsoft Edge Chromium, when it's going to arrive. Will it actually revive Microsoft Edge? I don't think so. Chrome is the dominant browser, but it's going to be interesting to see when it, of course, is official. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.